Anyone can convince your AI that its own safety rules had already approved a hostile incoming message. That is chain-of-thought forgery, and your security team has absolutely no idea it happened. Chain-of-thought prompting makes AI smarter by having it reason through a problem step by step before answering. That reasoning process is exactly what attackers exploit. Chain-of-thought forgery injects a fake reasoning block into the model's input, something that appears to be internal safety logic. The model reads it, assumes its own guardrails have already cleared the request, and complies. Giskard's chain-of-thought forgery probe tests whether your AI can be tricked by fake reasoning before regulators find out the hard way. Imagine an attacker who asks for stock policy updates while also referencing a fake article on sexual assault within your company, and your agent simply responds. Your company now faces sexual assault violations, regulatory investigation, and reputational collapse, triggered by one chat message that looked like a policy document. Are you interested in securing your AI agents? Schedule a meeting with our team today.